Next up, last flight for Artisan. Before we begin, check out maps.techno.co where you'll find this video as well as thousands of others detailing everything you need to know about every quest, each step, and it even rotates based on your faction. Complete quests easier, maps.techno.co, Arena Breakout Infinite, and now Grey Zone Warfare. In this one, we need to find what happened to someone at the airfield. This one's moved from the bottom right of airfield down here all the way up to the top left of airfield right here. So zooming into the Palong airfield right here, all we need to do is travel to Golf 1. If you don't have it unlocked, travel somewhere nearby and make your way over here. If you have a Golf 1 unlocked, it's just a short 200-meter jog. Alright, so approaching this over here, you can see there's a crashed aircraft exactly where we marked. It's super visible on the map too, with a white marker. Simply head across here, check out the body, inspect, and there you go. Once you've done that, you're done. You just need to head back and handle the task. Now that we're back, we can hand it in. So hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.